makuha natin. Ayun, filled na. And nagkaroon na tayo doon ng profits, no? So, ganun lang guys mag-work. Hey guys, magandang araw ulit sa ating lahat. Aldrin here. So basically today guys ay i-discuss natin to si Prime XBT, no? So sa platform na to guys, pwede tayo mag-trade ng Bitcoin, S&P 500, Gold, Euro USD, and 50 plus assets, no? So napansin ko dito guys na marami na ding awards na nakuha ito si Prime XBT. Dami din yung asset pairs, no? So ito mapapansin natin, sobrang ganda din ng user interface niya sa desktop, laptop, tablet, and then mobile, no? So today guys, i-discuss ko din yung own perspective ko dito sa platform, and then magla-live trading din tayo, no? So ipapakita ko on how trading works and then on how to execute trades live. So, quick introduction lang tayo dito guys sa platform and then live trade tayo, no? So, yung official link pala nito guys ay ilalagay ko din sa description ng video na to for you to create an account, no? And then, including tong promo codes, no? So, 25% off fees and then 35%. So, yan yung mga promo codes natin for the community, no? So, dito guys, mapapansin natin dito na trade when markets go up and down, no? So, yan yung tinatawag natin na CFD contracts, no? Or contract for difference, no? So, kikita tayo guys kahit pababa si market. So, yan yung tinatawag na short selling. So, si Prime XBT din guys ay merong highest leverage, no? Meron siyang access to global markets, merong 100% privacy, and then low fees na din siya. So, speaking of fees, punta tayo dito. So, for fees and conditions, makikita natin dito guys na yung deposit currency niya is BTC. So, cryptocurrency is 24/7, the trading hours, no? And then indices and commodities, there are certain trading hours, Monday to Friday, including Forex. And then for cryptocurrencies, trading limits, 0.01 BTC. I-demo ko din ito mamaya guys, ipapakita ko sa live trade natin. Margin requirements, makikita natin dito. So, yung leverage niya guys is 1:100. So, up to 100x leverage, no? For BTC USDT. So, and makikita natin lahat dito sa fees. And then, for legalities, makikita din natin guys yan dito sa legal terms, no? Yung mga affiliate agreement, cookie policy, privacy policy, terms and conditions, AML policy or anti-money laundering policy, vesting terms and conditions, referral program rules and conditions, complaints handling procedure, Prime XBT turbo terms and conditions, and then risk disclosure notice. So, makikita natin yan lahat. So, for the FAQs, yung mga most commonly asked questions dito. So, I'll put all this information sa description ng video na to. And then, for the security, so Prime XBT is committed to provide the highest level of security to its platform users. So, customer asset protection, they have 2FA, mandatory Bitcoin address waitlisting feature, cold storage, and many more. Profit from both rising and falling markets, no? So, long versus short. So, example, going long, profit from market growth, no? So, if the price goes up, you will get profit, no? So, meaning to say, pag tumaas yung market ni BTC, magkakaroon ka ng profit. So, say for example, dito ka bumili, so nag-buy long ka dito, and then binenta mo siya dito, so magkaka-profit ka dyan. Sa going short naman, or yan yung tinatawag natin na short selling, so just in case na dito ka nag-sell, and then dito mo clean nose, no? Or in-exit yung orders mo, dyan mo clean nose yung orders mo, magkaka-profit ka, no? So, profit from market decline, no? So, when the market declines and then naka-short ka, you will get profit. So, calculating profits, we can also see here, the leverage, makikita naman natin yan doon sa mismong trading platform na niya, no? Sa loob na. So, before tayo mag-start dito guys, sa live trade natin, I just wanted to have a risk warning here. Itong video na to is for reference only, no? This does not qualify as an investment advice. As they mentioned dito guys, na Prime XBT products are complex instruments and with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. So, these products are not suitable for all investors. You should consider whatever you understand how these products work and whether you can afford to take high risk of losing your money. Seek independent advice if necessary. So this video is for reference only. This does not qualify as an investment advice, guys. And let's go now on the live trading. So here, dito tayo sa current chart ng BTC, guys. Something like 15 minutes to na makikita natin. Ito 15 minutes. So punta muna tayo dito sa account natin. Meron na akong BTC din. And then dito lang makikita, guys, no? Andito lang makikita if you want to fund your account. They have different alternative deposits dito. So you can buy Bitcoin using card, something like 6.io. So here, Visa, Mastercard. So we can see here, we can also deposit Bitcoin. Meron na tayong BTC dito sa ating account. Ayan, we have BTC. And then doon naman, guys, sa promo code, ito, pwede natin gamitin yung promo code natin dito na Crypto Fortune 25, big letter lahat, 25% off fees, no? So pwede nating ilagay dyan, then activate either Crypto Fortune 25 and then Crypto Fortune 35, no? So pwede natin gamitin yan parehas. After that, apply mo lang or activate mo lang. So dito, guys, balik tayo sa account summary natin. So kailangan natin i-fund yung trading account natin dito, no? So say for example, guys, punta tayo dito, wala pa tayong balance, no? Makikita natin 0 BTC. So what we're gonna do is to fund our trading account. Okay. So something like 0.01, and then after that, transfer. So after that, yeah, it's done already. 0.01 BTC already transferred. Balik tayo dito. Ayan, makikita natin, guys, andito na siya. So after natin, guys, na ma-fund yung account natin, makaka-receive tayo dito ng itong confirmation, no, na you're all set. Finish lang natin to. So dito, guys, mapapansin natin ito, funded na yung account natin. Sinelect natin si BTC USD. Ayan, makikita natin, ito na yung chart niya. And then dito, so say for example, nag-short tayo, no? Ito yung pinindot natin, meaning to say pababa yung market. So ito yung pinindot natin, meaning to say pag clinic natin to or pag sinelect natin to, if ever na bumaba yung market, if ever na mag-decline, magkaka-profit tayo, no? So if ever naman na tumaas yung price niya, so doon tayo malulos, no? So sa mga gantong scenario, guys, so say for example, nag-long tayo dito or ito yung ginamit natin, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng entry. So say for example, buy. Ma-auto-populate na yan, guys, no? Kung saan mo tinutok yung mouse mo, ay mapiplace na yan dito sa limit price, no? Ito yung minimum amount, 0.01 BTC. And then ito yung margin impact, no? So try natin siya send order maya-maya, and then itong margin impact, guys, is mababawas yan dito sa balance natin. So try natin place stop loss na din. So stop loss tayo dito, something like 16,050. So 16,050. Ayan. And then take profit natin is something like here 16,465, no? Nag-buy long tayo, mas mataas yung exit natin, yung closing price natin, no? So 16,450 na lang, 16,450. So ito yung magiging profit natin, projected profit. And then after that, send order, no? Confirm. So order place na. And then makikita natin yan dito, guys, sa orders. Ayan. Lakihan lang natin. Eto. Open orders yan. Pero pwede tayo dito, guys, mag-market, no? Para mas makita natin. So, meaning to say, pag market orders yung ginawa natin, so if ever na i-click natin to, automatically market order type yung mapipili natin, no? So, market order type, guys, is type of order, no, na it's automatically executed, no, kung ano yung best price sa market. So eto, i-market natin, and then sa tingin natin is magkakaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo. So try natin buy, and then 0.01. So place stop loss tayo dito, something like stop loss natin is 16,090. Ayan, and then take profit tayo dito ng something like 16,400. Ayan. So makikita natin dito, guys, yung projected profit, and then projected loss if ever na ma-hit yung stop loss natin, no? So after that, sell order na natin to. Automatically executed to, guys, at mapiplace kagad to dito sa position. So sell order na natin to. Confirm. So ayan, makikita natin, guys, So, yung margin impact guys, yung mababawas dito sa balance natin. No? Napansin naman natin sa execution natin. Itong ginawa natin guys na execution is buy long. No? So, meaning to say, pag tumaas pa tong price ni BTC, magkaka-profit tayo. So, dito guys, i-explain ko lang. Ito yung GTC or Good Till Cancelled. No? So, kung mapapansin natin dito guys, andito yung ating orders. Kasi naka-GTC tayo. So, good till canceled niya, no? So, if ever na hindi natin to kino-close, so, mariremain siya as is, no? Diyan pa din siya. So, if ever naman napiliin natin tong day, there's a certain expiry, no? Something like 8 AM sa atin to. Ayan, makikita natin. 15 hours, no? So, nirecord ko tong video na to 5:30 PM. So, if ever na sinelect natin tong day, and then pumunta siya dito sa orders, etong orders na to is magko-close siya 8 AM dito sa atin, no? Try natin na day yung gamitin natin dito. So, send order na natin to. Confirm. So, makikita natin guys, ito yung sell order natin. Double click lang natin para makita natin yung expiry, no? So, ayan, naka-day tayo. So, after na matapos itong remaining time, so, maka-cancel itong order natin. So, on my next video pala guys, or on my next live, no, gagamitin natin to, si Prime XBT as our platform na sa mga live natin, upcoming live, no. On our next video din guys, i-discuss natin si Turbo, and then itong si Covey Sting. So, itong si Covey Sting guys is something like copy trading to, no, na dedicated for Prime XBT. So, i-discuss natin to. Abangan nyo lang yung next video natin. Ayan. So, ito yung mga traders, no, ito yung mga top traders. And then, makikita natin dito guys yung mga performance, no, as per Sparkline, no. So, ayan, makikita natin, pwede nating i-follow. And itong may mga information icon is something like reach the maximum cap for following equity, no. So, we can follow some of this, yung wala pang mga maximum cap, no. So, kagaya ni Fraxi. And, i-discuss natin to guys on our next video upload, no. So, for now, let's go back dito sa trade. And, we can also guys use this analysis tab for technical analysis, no. So, on our next video, we will discuss that. And on our live trading, gagamitin din natin to para magkaroon tayo dito ng ideas. Basically, nagkaroon ako dito ng mga trend lines. Ginawan ko na siya ng trend lines, no. Punta tayo dito ulit sa trade. And BTC USD tayo. And then yung mga indicators or tools dito, no. Dito natin makikita. Some oscillators, pwede natin gamitin ADX. Makikita natin dito CCI. And then the Bollinger Bands, no. So, ayan, makikita natin at hopefully magamit natin on our next vlog. So, ayan, mga tools makikita natin. So, sige, try natin siguro dito mag-demo din ng sell short, no. Something like here. And then sell short tayo. So, nag-right click lang tayo ulit dito. And then after that, lumabas na to. Place tayo ng stop loss. So, yung stop loss natin is something like dito. So, 16,420 na lang. And then, take profit natin is something like here. 16,230. So, let's wait guys na mahit itong take profit natin dito sa isa. So, let's market order na lang to. Close position, confirm. Ayun, na-close na natin. Via market order yun guys, no. And currently, we have 2 point something profits, no, PNL, 2.17. And gumagalaw yan kasi nag-sell short tayo dito guys. Meaning to say, pababa yung market, no. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng profits kasi nagkaroon dito ng pagbaba ng presyo. So, dito tayo nakapag-entry. So, pwede din natin to i-close na. Double click lang natin. And then, something like dito natin siya i-close sa 16,310. 16,310. And then, modify position. Confirm. So if ever guys na pumunta yung price action dito, ay mako-close na yung position natin, no, with profit. So antayin na lang natin na magkaroon siya ng decline sa downside para makuha natin. Ayun, failed na, and nagkaroon na tayo doon ng profits, no. So ganun lang guys mag-work. Pwede nating i-check yan sa trading history natin, and makikita natin. So ito yung na-accumulate natin, ito yung finurse close natin sa market. Kasi nag-against konti sa bias natin, kaya close natin yan, pero mas mataas naman yung ratio natin sa profit natin dito. So ito yung naging profits natin. Makikita din natin sa activity log kung ano yung mga ginawa natin. Ayan, order execution, and then trading history, yan makikita natin. Dito natin makikita yung profits natin, ito. And then nadagdagan na nga guys yung 0.01 natin ng 4,912 Satoshi. And yun, ganun lang kadali guys. At nagkaroon na ng pagtaas ng presyo. Good thing na na-exit natin. Hopefully nagkaroon kayo ng ideas, and sa mga susunod natin na video guys, marami pa tayong mga trade examples. On our next video, we'll provide more trading example for you to have more ideas and knowledge dito sa trading, no. So stay tuned lang guys. On our next video, we will discuss investing, the copy trading, and then more trading examples, live trading examples. So hope this video helps guys. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and then like nyo na din tong video na to kung nagustuhan nyo. See you next time. Ingat tayong lahat, and bye for now.